Help me! Help! Someone help! My friend's dead! Help me! Help! Help!
Get in there.
Wait, I just heard something. Hello? Is anyone there? Hello?
Out here.
My back. Die! Stop me! Or whatever you are. Where are you? Where are you? Who are you?
I'm out here. Get a zombie.
Die!
There's a zombie out here. Faster.
Who are you?
Oh, somebody you should always trust.
Ow! 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 Oh! Oh my
We did it. Are you okay?
Yes.
There's zombies in here.
I found this gold armor off of a zombie. Or whatever those things are. I'm gonna call them walkers. Oh, come on. Hey, your name's Jake. My friend's name was Jake. That's weird. Well, what are you doing? Okay, let's go. Oh man. Oh, I'm hungry. Oh man, I didn't do much, but. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's get out of here. This is too crazy.
Where do we go?
I don't know. I'll think of a place. I don't know where to go. I know where to go. Okay, let's go to the city. Finally, we made it to the city. It took so long.
Nice city.
Alright.
Whoa, that's huge. It's made from diamonds.
Whoa, hey, it's one of those walkers. A couple of those walkers over there.
I don't think that's a couple.
Holy cow.
We'll jump down. We'll shoot up from
Holy
above.
cow. Dude, I only have a metal bat. Yeah, hey, die! Oh, they're coming over! Oh!
I can't even move.